Welcome to Magic Horizons. In these video instructions, we will show you how to use the VR glasses and the Magic Horizons VR software. Turn on the VR glasses using the on-off switch on the right side. Press the on-off switch until the blue LED lights up. If you wear distance glasses and they fit under the VR glasses, you should keep them on to enable you to see sharper. Loosen the bracket with the rear screw and fold it up. Put on the VR glasses from front to back. Then, after putting them on, fold down the bracket and tighten the rear screw again so that the glasses fit comfortably. It's important to push the VR glasses slightly up and down with both hands after putting them on in order to see as sharp as possible. The VR glasses have two controllers for your left and right hands. A long press on both home buttons will connect the VR glasses after they've been turned on. If the viewing direction has changed, or the green laser beam has shifted or is no longer visible, you can recenter everything by long pressing the home button. To start a program or VR application, point the laser beam at it and press the trigger button with your index finger. When putting the VR glasses on someone else, make sure that you're both looking in the same direction when centering the VR glasses with the home button. The other person will then also be looking in the front direction. To remove the VR glasses, first open the bracket with the rear screw. Then fold up the bracket and remove the VR glasses straight forward. After turning on the VR glasses, the Magic Horizons software starts automatically in the so-called kiosk mode. If you've ordered the Magic Horizons VR software as a standalone app, you can launch it by clicking on the Magic Horizons app icon. The first thing you see is the main menu. Here you can choose between 4 subcategories. What do you need? The playlists, the training plan, and the single applications. Play Intro will give you brief audio instructions in the main menu and each submenu. Pressing it again stops the audio instructions. In the main menu, you can set the language, your sitting or lying position to within 1 degree, and the volume. You can see the charging status of the VR glasses on the left. There's also the Wi-Fi symbol as well as the connection symbol for a possible tablet remote. After entering the Wi-Fi access data, briefly press the home button on either controller to get back to the Magic Horizons software. If you hold both controllers and the VR glasses directly in front of your face, you will then see the battery status at the bottom of the controllers. You can adjust the basic volume on the upper right bracket of the VR glasses. There are always 2 ways to return to the main menu. 1. Press the Back to Main Menu door symbol with your index finger. 2. Press the B or Y button on the controllers. The VR glasses do not have to be turned off during breaks. They go into sleep mode a short time after you take them off. When you use the VR glasses again, the software starts up immediately. For longer breaks, press and hold the home button on the controller for approximately 2 seconds. In What Do You Need, you can choose from 8 subcategories, ranging from relaxation and calming to interactive training. Inside each subcategory, you have several applications serving your needs. Just click on the corresponding application. When an application is running, you can open the submenu or close the application by selecting the floating above M symbol for menu or the X symbol for closing. Alternatively, you can press the A button on the right controller or the X button on the left controller to open the menu. The B or the Y button on the controllers close an application. At the interactive category, the X and M symbols can also be located at the bottom. In the submenu, you can choose from different audio mixes. Adjust the volume, switch on the loop, select other options in the interactive applications, and close the application with X. The submenu will close automatically when the green laser beam is no longer pointing at it. In the Playlists main menu, there are 2 options to choose from. On the left, the preset playlists with default lists. On the right, the user playlists you can create yourself. Once you've selected a playlist, a play symbol appears in front of you. You start the playlist by looking at the play symbol until the green circle closes. This feature also lets you select a playlist and then hand the VR glasses to someone else. The person will then not require the controllers and can start the selected playlist by gazing at the play symbol in the VR glasses. Within a playlist, you can skip to the next VR application by pressing the trigger button on the controllers. In the User Playlists menu, press Create Playlist. You can select single applications from the VR applications shown in front of you. A green dot appears at the top right of each application. Press the same application again to deselect it. You will see a list of your selected applications in the display on the right. You can move them in order. Please note, at the end, you have to save your own playlist in the display on the right by selecting Save Playlist. In the main playlist menu, you can start, edit, and delete user playlists. Close the playlist by pressing B or Y on the corresponding controller. Press Training Plan. Start an individual session by pointing the green laser beam of the controller at it and pressing the trigger button with your index finger. Close the training session by pressing B or Y at the controllers. The training sessions are always grouped into units of 10. Press on Next Page on the right to go to the next unit of 10, and on Previous Page on the left to go to the previous unit of 10. The small display on the right allows a quick selection. The Single Application menu lets you select single applications from the overall program that are particularly good for you. The single applications are arranged in 5 groups: Nature, Interactive, Binaural Audio, Fantasy Trips, Meditations. How to open the menu and select different options is explained in detail in the chapter What Do You Need? Our VR glasses are only to be used while sitting or lying with sufficient free space around you. The lenses must not be exposed to direct sunlight or very bright sources of light, as otherwise the displays may be damaged and the warranty will be void. Clean the VR glasses thoroughly only with suitable agents, also with alcoholic cleaning wipes. Clean the lenses only with a dry microfiber cloth, as they may otherwise be easily scratched. The controller requires 2 1.5-volt batteries. Open the battery cover with the little switch, pull out the battery compartment, and replace the batteries as needed. VR glasses battery life is approximately 3 hours. We recommend charging the VR glasses in good time. The connection for the USB-C charging cable is on the left side of the VR glasses. The VR glasses are fully charged when the LED at the right lights up solid green. If the LED is lit red or even flashes red after the VR glasses are turned on, they must first be charged. The VR glasses can be used indefinitely with the charger and a long charging cable. If the VR glasses or the VR software malfunction, turn off the headset and turn it on again. Please note our mandatory terms of use, in particular the health, safety, and hygiene information on our website. Thank you, your Magic Horizons team.